Hello, everybody. Some old guy with MS here. Once again, sorry about last week. I did not do a video last week because things were just, believe it or not, crazy busy. I was too busy, too many activities. My wife visited several times, and I just did not get around to doing a video. So what I missed in that video is saying Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Of course, in this video, I can say Happy New Year because it's still coming. Yeah, I just missed touching base with all of you and wishing you a Merry Christmas. But I still do wish you a Merry Christmas. Maybe next year, right? So sorry about that. It was a mistake. So in this video, because I think this will be the last one of the year, I do want to talk about investing, my portfolio, and how we did this year. Well, we can actually make this really short video because I did the shits this year. Yeah, that's it. Thanks. Bye. No. And let me fill out the details. Yes, I did not do very good this year. But let me just summarize everything for you. I have several trading accounts. I have a Canadian cash account, American cash account, RRSP account, and a TFSA account. And my RRSP account has the most money because I've had it, the longest. I've been trading in that account and contributing to my RRSP for, 30 years. So it has the most money. So anyway, this year, my RRSP account was up 14%, which is actually pretty good. But I don't remember all the details, but my Canadian cash account was down. My US cash account was down. And I believe my TFSA was down. It was probably down the most. So all in all, if you averaged it all out, I'm probably up, say, 2%, 2 or 3%, which is, It's better than being down, that's for sure. But it is certainly not very good. Yes, I will say that. It's better than being down. But now, the reason everything's down, all the electric vehicle companies are down. Believe it or not, Tesla is down. I bought some Tesla at the very, very peak, $1,200. And now I think it's slowly coming back up. It's a little over 1,000. I think like 1,034. Last time I looked, anyway. Let's see. Canoe is down. Rivian is down, although I don't own that. Tesla, Canoe. Rivian. I think there's another one, but I just can't remember. And NIO, the Chinese electric vehicle company, it's down. It's been very disappointing. Also, that battery maker, it's down. It's down quite significantly. Yeah, I just can't remember my mind is drawing a blank. But anyway, that battery maker, the solid state battery maker, is down. And I really don't think it's a scam. I do think once they get into production, it's going to take off. Yeah. Trouble is they're not planned to have a battery in production till like 2024 or 5. So we're off quite a ways. But what that means is we have gotten in on it pretty much at the very bottom. You know, we just got to be patient. Let's see. Yeah, that's half my excuse. I guess the other half is Bitcoin is kind of down. Well, I wouldn't say it's down, but certainly not as high as it was at, and it hasn't behaved the way I thought it would behave. I thought Bitcoin would break 100,000 Canadian this year, which of course it has not. Bitcoin's peak was like 75, I think, 75,000 Canadian per Bitcoin. It has dropped and it's gone. It is climbing a bit, and I think it's at 65,000 Canadian. Now, because of that, all the Bitcoin related stocks are down. All the Bitcoin miners are down. So I had money in the in the minors, and so I'm down on those. And there's another one. What's its symbol? I think it's Digi, Digi. It was a penny stock. I had made money on it. It went up to 30 cents. And I thought, oh shit, it's going to break out. So I bought way more. So it kind of negated whatever I had made. It went down to 20 cents. I bought more. And now it's 9 cents. I haven't given up on it, but not doing very good. If Bitcoin had broken 100,000, it would have gone up. Actually, well, will it ever break 30 cents again? If Bitcoin breaks 100, yes, I do think it will. But again, this is going to take time. Would I put more money into Digi? No way. Not at all, period. Because I don't think it's a stock that is going to do spectacular. It might if Bitcoin does extraordinarily well, I mean extraordinarily, it might break $1. But that is very, 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 very unlikely. Unlikely. Will it break 30 cents? Boy, I sure hope so. I hope it does this coming year, 2022. So as you can see, I've got a lot of stocks that are sort of waiting, depending on the future. And I hope the future starts next year. If it does, if things start to go the way I want it, would like them to go, I'll do exceptionally well in my portfolios. You see, my RRSP has a lot of traditional, blue chip stock. Like I think I've got CNCP, Suncor, TransCanada Pipeline, and stuff like that. One stock that did surprisingly well is Shopify. I think it's around 1,800 Canadian. My stepdaughter, when it sort of was first coming out, she bought 5 shares. I think she said 5 shares at $100. But 5 shares at $100 up to 1,800, that's pretty damn good. I mean, I wish I'd done that. But I saw Shopify and I thought, yeah, it's not going to do anything. I mean, actually, I was extremely surprised. Amazon has done so well. However, I've recognized their success. I have bought Shopify. I have bought, not very much, I think 3 shares of Amazon. And yeah, you see, Shopify announced that it was going to go in partners with Walmart. So I thought, aha, Walmart's going to take off. So I bought some shares in Walmart and hasn't gone anywhere. So I don't know. It's kind of it's all a mystery to me still on what will do well and what won't do well. So my approach has been almost like a scattergun approach. I buy a little bit of everything and hope for the best. To be perfectly honest, I really like Warren Buffett and his method of investing. He's a value investor, and anyone that is like him or follows him says, well, everyone says this, do your own research. And if you like Warren Buffett, you do your own research and you buy companies that are undervalued. Well, to be perfectly honest, I have no idea if a company's undervalued. I have no idea how to research it, how to read a financial statement, and how to determine that. But it does seem to me, that's a very good way to invest. But it does seem to me, if you're just looking for undervalued companies, you are going to miss all the companies with great breakout potential. And if you do analyze their financial statements, they're probably not going to look that good. Like, I didn't buy Tesla for the longest time because they hadn't made a profit. But honestly, that turned out to be a mistake. I bought Tesla way back and just left it, I'd be quite well off, And that battery company, it has no sales yet. It doesn't even have a PE ratio. So, that's the most basic and fundamental, things to look at. So if you're doing a financial analysis of that company, you wouldn't touch it with a 10-foot pole. But I think it's got great potential. Bill Gates thinks it's got great potential. And if you're like a Warren Buffett type investor, you wouldn't touch it because it has no sales. So I mean, I don't know. Warren Buffett has made lots of money. He's bought companies with what he calls, great moats around them. But I think he's missed out on a lot also. He has very recently bought Apple, but that means he missed the run up Apple's created or done. I don't think he's ever bought Microsoft. Actually, if you look what he's bought, just generally speaking, it's been insurance companies, railroads, and Coca-Cola. And I think he probably bought McDonald's or Dairy Queen, So fast foods, sugary drinks, and insurance. Wow. I don't drink sugary drinks. I don't like insurance. And I don't really eat fast foods. So basically, all the things that are bad for you. But anyway, I'm not condemning Warren Buffett. I do think he's a great, fantastic investor. He's done exceptionally well. I guess really, truth be told, what I'm saying is I admire him, but I don't think I can stick to that type of investing. Anyway. So, yeah, that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. This has not been a great year. Hopefully, 2022 will be a great year. I am counting on it. So, yeah. So I think in the next video, which should be in the new year, I'm again going to talk about investing, but maybe alternative types of investing, as in not the stock market. Yeah. Just think about that for a while. And in the next video, I'll let you know what I'm talking about and what you need to do it. Anyway, yeah, look forward to the next video. Let's see. What else can I say? Well, the way I invest, basically, I have, I don't know if I actually have this, but this is the way I see that my portfolio should be. I would say a third in blue chip Canadian stocks, like as I said, CNCP, the banks, TD, Bank of Montreal. RBC, so on and so forth, CIBC, Suncor, TransCanada Pipeline, Enbridge, Fortis, and the like. and Shopify. The other third, sort of blue chip American companies. Apple, well, I don't know if Tesla's a blue chip, but Apple, Tesla, Wells Fargo, JP Morgan, and companies like that, and Amazon. The last third, maybe not even a third, probably less than a third, say a quarter, on speculative stocks. So on the battery, that solid state battery company, on Bitcoin related stock, other EV stocks, things that are a little more risky, but which may provide a great benefit. And the way again, this is what I should be doing, but I don't. I should be, you buy a stock and you don't sell it until it starts going up. Starts going down. Don't sell it till it starts going down. If it's flat long enough, then you make a judgment call. If it keeps going up, just hang on to it. Eventually, at some point, it'll either, flatten out or start to go down a bit. And when I say go down, I do not mean down to what you paid for. I mean just down in general. Say you have a stock and, it goes down 5%. Well, start watching it. Get ready to sell it. Goes down 10%. Yeah, sell it. If it's down 15%, definitely sell it. If it goes down 20%, sell. Sell. Dump the best. Dump it. And if it goes down more than that, yeah, it's probably too late. And if it goes up, just let it keep going up, right? So if you have a stock if you have a $50 stock and it goes to 100, well, there are some occasions where I'd sell some, but generally hold on to it. If it goes to 110, hold on to it. If it then drops down to 80, well, that signals time to sell, right? The other thing I try and do, which actually seems to make a lot of sense to me also, is if you buy a stock, this is what I was planning on doing with Digi. If you buy a stock and it doubles, sell half of it. Now your investment is free, basically. And the free stock, don't sell it until it goes down. Anyway, I think that's it. I hope my philosophy on investing can help you. But again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just some old guy with MS living in a care home. So whatever you do is on you. Just be careful. Try and preserve your capital. Yeah. So, yeah, I think that's about it. Oh, yes. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. I like comments. So the size of my audience seems to have peaked at 35 subscribers. So yeah, please subscribe. Really appreciate it. And please comment. So I think that's it. Yeah. End communication. Okay. This is not for you. Start listening. Start listening. Because it's not for my computer either. Oh, there we go. Mouse grid 8, 8, 1, click. Mouse grid 8, 3, 3, click, end transmission.